Ordering Uber Eats with Uber Cash is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your phone. Browse through the available restaurants and find what you're craving. Add your desired items to your cart. Once you're done adding the items, tap the checkout button. On the checkout page, look for the payment options. Underneath your usual payment methods, you should see Uber Cash displayed with your current balance. Tap on the Uber Cash option to make it your selected payment method. You will see a green check mark indicating it's activated. If your Uber Cash balance covers the entire order amount, simply tap on Place Order to finalize your purchase. If you have some but not enough Uber Cash, you can combine it with another payment method like your credit card. Before completing the order, double-check that Uber Cash is selected and the amount applied is correct. You can also add the tip using Uber Cash or another payment at this time. Enjoy your meal. That's it. Your order will be processed. You can soon enjoy your delicious food delivered straight to your door.